Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollars. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. And below the video you'll find a link which says swing like a pro. So you click on that link, then come to this page right here where you can see all these setups and more proofs, and you can join this program if you want to get mentorship program for swing trading, and then you can book one-to-one consultation if you want to speak with me, and you can always join free Telegram. So let's get back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are above the EMA, okay, but we made a new low. Daily we are below the EMA, and 4-hour we are below the EMA again, okay. So as per the definition, two time frames are below the EMA, 4-hour is below and daily is below. So we are technically supposed to look for shorts, okay. At the same time, in daily we are creating higher highs. As you can see, this low is not broken. This was your last low, then this is your higher low, and then this could be your acting as a double bottom. But I will have to go as per the definition. Why would I tell you everything? So 4-hour you can see 4-hour we are below below the EMA, and daily we are below the EMA. So as per the definition, look for shorts. If you want exit and entry with me precisely, then join this program, subscribe, like and share. Till then, take care.